In today's video, I will discuss the differences between Blink and Ring security cameras. Watch until the end to find out which one comes out on top. To start, the main difference between Blink and Ring lies in their integration and features. Blink is renowned for its simplicity and ease of use, offering wireless. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. Conversely, Blink offers free cloud storage of up to 256 gigabytes. Blink users can still access live video and turn on motion alerts from the Blink Home Monitor app without a subscription. This gives Blink an edge, as it provides a local storage option and is not solely dependent on cloud storage like Ring. Regarding the field of vision, Ring cameras offer up to a 140-degree field of vision, whereas Blink cameras only offer a 110-degree field of vision. It is important to note that these measurements are approximate and may vary slightly between camera models within each brand. Thus, Ring cameras offer a wider degree of coverage compared to Blink. Despite their differences, both Blink and Ring share some similarities. Both brands offer smart control features that let users monitor and control their cameras remotely through their respective apps. Through these apps, users can view live video feeds, receive motion alerts, adjust camera settings, and more. To sum up, which is better, Blink or Ring? Blink is more affordable and dominates the low-cost sector. However, Ring offers more advanced features and a suite of devices, including home alarm components, which Blink lacks. Although both cameras have their strengths, Ring emerges as the overall winner due to its extensive and advanced features, wider range of devices, and better compatibility with other smart home integrations. Feel free to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.